The idea of having one stream of income just didn't sit well with me. Hi, I'm Liv. I run Dopple, a print and design studio specialising in risograph, print, branding and web design. Running a multi-revenue stream business is something I've always aimed to do. So I chose Wix for my business because of its massive scope for functionality and freedom of creation. I do graphic design, web design, branding, pitches, risograph printing, events and workshops. Service-wise, that's that side of it. And then Dopple Shop, I run a shop creating all sorts of different prints and pins and t-shirts, and a lot of it is collaborative. Community, it's one of the main reasons why I love what I do, because I get to work with all sorts of different people making all sorts of unique things, and Wix as a kind of housing for that was amazing. Being able to integrate and change and develop at my own pace, it was just how it was always going to be.